may pressure daw mula sa INC. Tanong ko po sa inyo, naramdaman po ba niyo yung pressure na yun?
Well, of course, on that concern, I can speak only for myself, no? Wala po akong naramdamang pressure, neither from the leadership nor from the INC. Since day one of our proceeding in the Justice Committee, maliwanag po ang appreciation natin dito. This is not a matter of choice. This is a matter of duty. Whether I like it or not, I need to proceed because this is the mandate of the Constitution.
Sa mga kasamahan yung mambabatas, narinig niyo po ba na tumutugma yung kwento dun sa mga nabanggit ng ni Congressman Napuno?
Well, I do hear that from my colleagues. Discussions about the INC, discussions about the approaching national election, discussions about the position of the party leadership. But nonetheless, in my humble submission, I think ultimately it will be the conscience of the members of the House which will prevail at the actual voting, no? After you have considered the evidence, after you have considered the party position, I think at the end of the day, ang dapat isipin, or sana ang isipin, will be for the best interest of the Philippine nation.